It's Chesterfield Farm Gate.
You look so awkward. Hey everyone, we're at Chesterfield Farm today. Who does he belong to? Can I take him?
There's an egg shortage. Should I get eggs? Yeah.
That's a whole lot of eggs.
We got our pink wristbands. Also, I was watching your Christmas vlog last night, and I was cackling at the I don't know why she was so funny.
I think I'm not made.
That's okay. You couldn't work at a concert. Thank you.
Yeah, but I liked it.
I like them, but I'm just. I don't. My dad just always gets spat on.
Guys, there's kangaroos. Oh my god, there's deer. Oh my god, there's deer. I love deer.
I want sheep. Rich, I need to eat them.
Mmm, yummy. Okay, let's get going. He's doing some ASMR for us. Mia, he's fiending for more.
Okay. Hi.
How are you feeling about the farm?
I love cows.
What noise does a cow make, Taya?
No.
Okay, let's move on.
Bye.
You're boring me. Hello!
Oh shit!
Hi!
The baby girl.
Oh, baby, come here! Oh, my tongue. Karis, can you feed this one? Mia. Oh my god, no! Oh, baby boy! Oh no! Go. I want to give this one food. He's
Get
running
the fuck away. Get the fuck away. Oh my god.
I really don't like this one.
The way the goats looked at you when you did that. They all.
Wait, what noise does a goat make? I got cheated.
Oh. You're my biggest enemy.
Oh. Hi.
Hey.
How are you? Hi.
Wow, we started all the way over there.
This one's a.
Probably the most.
Hi. Can we feed these ones? Yeah. Oh my god. Icon.
Wait.
Oh, look at that. Yeah.
dog in the face. No one looking at me. Hi. Why are they like hyperextended? Hi. Those balls are fucking insane.
Yeah, it looks like it's like a zombie.
Why am I scared of it? Why is its build so high?
She just fucking crossed me off. Shit.
Someone doesn't like the camel.
Very tiny penises.
Taya, he's wanting it.
I'm scared. Ew, I hate the lips.
Hi.
It's like a vagina. It's like a vagina.
Can I try?
It's like a vagina.
Caught you in your natural habitat. He's so 2000s cool. He's French.
Did fall on the horse once and I got winded.
Oh my god. Daddy! After being at the farm all day, I've learned that I hate goats.
But they're really cute.
Has it only been an hour?
Oh, an hour and a half, I think.
There's no way we've been here for an hour and a half. It feels like 5 million years. Yeah, I don't like goats at all. They're mean and ugly, and they're making all the other animals run away, even their own kind. They fight. Okay, so the farm was like short-lived, low-key. Like I thought it was gonna take like 5 million years to like walk around until that. It's literally. Anyways, we're at Woolworths now, and we're gonna get some stuff. And we're gonna have a picnic. Where are we?
Just hard.
Girls Park. We have a massive feast. You want to put something in here?
I have no other way to like it. Let's go. Remember when you were going to sit in the bush here?
Me?
Yeah.
No, I don't, but I believe you.
Oh, at the cows. Guys, we just have
Oh my god, yeah. Yummy!
Yummy.
Oh.
Oh.
Really good. Oh, it's gonna explode. Leave the lid on for a second.
And dip cabana.
Well, that's what I'm doing.
Ew!
I licked it.
Oh my gosh.
Hard bit of the cabana. I'm gonna move it.
Oh, I hate that.
You know when you
Eat it.
You know,
Tay, literally do not look at me like that, because yesterday when we were at the beach and we were eating fucking pepperoni pizza, you had a meltdown because of a hard bit of the pepperoni. So shut the fuck up.
you know when you prepare to bite into a grape and it's going to be crunchy and then it wasn't crunchy?
Yeah.
That made me...
Do you not feel it? Yeah, but like when
Sometimes
see
you just,
grape-
like,
Guys, you're
pick
just
it-
wrong. Oh, there's an ant. Can you get it off?
Where?
Right there. Like, right there. Like,
Right there. These strawberries are so cute.
oh my god, I'm gonna change lives right now.
Was it mind changing? I mean,
There's a lot of crunch.
I do slightly wish we had cheese.
like a nice, like, what's the valley one called?
I can invent True Valley or something. Not True Valley.
It's like
Tree Valley. What? There's a T in it.
Tally Valley. No, it's something like that.
Yeah, there's a T in it.
Tally Valley? I don't know what you're talking about. True Valley? No, it's not true. It's something alley. I swear it's Tally Valley. Oh, Mercy Valley. But I want that too.
Do you know about the bocconcini? That was like $5.
Yeah, but that's not cheese.
Yeah, but bocconcini snacks.
Like, it doesn't taste like cheese for like a...
That and bocconcini.
Sugar. Why is it red? What should I wear to my party? What party is it? Nepal.
Jimmy!
Hello.
Welcome to the vlog.
Thank you for having me.
My bear asked you to throw me. Taya has a party tonight and I think we're going to crash it. Just for a little bit.
But we might crash Taya's party.
Well, not Taya's party, Taya's friends. Party.
Yeah.
We're going to get fucking Mickey D's for dinner. Yes, ma'am. We're planning our outfits right now. Hey, go. What are you wearing? What are you wearing?
I actually don't know. And I'm the one actually going to the party.
Karis, what are you wearing?
I hate this. I'm really stressed.
Mia, what are you wearing?
Zero idea.
Jimmy, what are you wearing?
I'll put some jeans on.
Nice, nice.
Keep this, and honestly, I'll wear my Birkenstock.
Okay.
What are you wearing, Rachel?
I'm just going to wear this.
So, like,
I'm just going to wear this. I might put a bra on. So like this. Instead of like this.
Here.
Wait, we're in public. Show the vlog my scalp.
Okay. That's the scalp. Can you do the side part, please? Oh my god. Wait, kind of looks not bad now. Oh my god, why is she actually modeling?
Did that look good?
Don't smile. Just don't. That's mean, I'm sorry. Give us a bottle.
Oh no.
Give us a bottle.
Give us a what?
Give
A
us
model.
A model
Oh.
look. Can't do that. Give us a catwalk around. And we're done. No, I'm joking. Go.
I really need to pee.
Yeah, you're caught off guard at that.
Hey everyone! We're about to drive to my place now and I have to get my things. So, yeah.
I'm gonna redo my makeup at Taya's because I've like sweated it all off.
Spread it open and flick the bean. That's John Hannah, the pussy queen.
Hey guys, and I are on the way to Dim's house. I took a little long getting ready. Well, I just had a shower. Now we're off to Dim's. Paris and Rachel are leaving.
Yeah, so they're going to Taya's now.
And we're going home and then we're shower.
It's okay. We'll be
It's
fine.
actually fine.
It's fine.
Hi everyone! I can't stop laughing. The way Rachel's like so laid back when she's driving, and I'm like fucking like right up by the steering wheel. That's so embarrassing. Like I never understood people like, oh my god, you look so stupid sitting so close to the steering wheel. Now I know what people mean because I need to so I can reach. Driving to Taya's. I got my little backpack.
Oh my god, that was
really risky.
That was a choice.
Holy shit! I got my little backpack and my pillow. Karis has her little backpack and a pillow. I'm feeling good.
I'm excited.
I'm feeling ready for the day.
I bought 2 outfit options as well because I wasn't sure what I was feeling. And to slow hands.
Wait, did you see that guy? He was just driving on the fucking line, like in the middle of the road nearly. What the fuck?
What are you doing?
Oh, he's got his hazards on. Oh, okay.
Oh,
That's
I thought he was just deciding to park.
yeah, I thought he was just like needing to get something from the back. I think about that a lot. If I'm driving alone and my car breaks down, I'm fucked. Because I don't know what to do in that situation. So, yeah, I put my hazards on. You're supposed to like roll your car to the side of the road.
Yeah.
You think I'm gonna fucking roll my car to the side of the road? That's a joke. That's a sick joke.
Because you're like a little girl. Like, just help me. Someone who would try and help you. It's like, I feel like if you're a guy and you don't know what you're doing, you're fucked. Because you're like a cute little girl.
Oh my god, guys, look at my shoulders.
Oh, she's got like opposite burns. Opposite? What's it called? Like 2 different tan lines.
Oh, Taya texted.
Oh, let's go see what she said.
Bye,
We're
guys.
nearly there. Hi. Oh, that was cute. Wait, why was that cute? That's really
That was not cute.
Hey guys, we just finished from Dimmy's house. Dimmy showered. I did my makeup.
Yeah, we've gone Taya's now.
It is.
Finally, 7:15. Taya's leaving in like an hour, so we should probably go.
We should go, yeah. And then we'll get there at like 10. It's dark. And
Game is on.
let's go. Hey,
And Karis is in the corner.
this is Kayla.
Kayla Burton!
She She's the one that plus. No, actually, Claire's the one that plus money.
Do you want to speak English?
But you can be my +1 because now I don't have
Exactly.
Don't flick the ants onto me.
Oh well. Just the one that plus one thing.
Yeah.
So.
You're the one that +1.
Yes.
Yes. Give us a fit check.
I'm actually wearing these pants and then this top. But I'm actually wearing this skirt over the pants. Should I get drinking?
Oh, cheeky.
Guys, look at that goal.
Like the plate.
I don't have my
Chaser.
3, 2, 1.
Give us a spin. Hey, Hey guys, we're at Macca's. As you can tell, beautiful background. I'm gonna get a mixed marble. How about you? I don't know. I'm really fucking hungry though. She's hangry. Not fucking hungry. She's hangry.
I'm gonna probably get like a nugget meal, but because I think I have enough points to get a burger for free.
Oh, so she's gonna get nuggets and a burger.
And I'll buy Jimmy a drink because apparently
Oh. Did I see an eye roll? Did I see an eye roll? Now! Go! Physical fight! No. Physical fight. That's her. Damn it. I literally saw it squirt on you. I wish I was filming that. I need a tissue.
Calm down. I can't even calm down. There was a really scary camel that just fossil. Fucking zombie.
Mia really didn't like it.
Like anorexia. Like his fur or whatever the fuck. It was like all massive and like hanging off. It's disgusting. In every video I have of it, you can just hear me in the background going, ew, I don't like it.
Do they need to put it down?
I think so. Well, it's kind of sad. I love that they're like,
No way! Congratulations! Freshly peed. And Coca-Cola. She's got the hair queen and the pee queen.
you have to wear it, and then for Mia's birthday wish, you have to let her take it off you.
Oh, shit.
Okay.
Guys, we made it. We were stressing for no reason. Oh my god! What are you doing now? Guys, update. I think we might be getting kicked out. The birthday girl. Anyways, the birthday girl came up to us and was like, who are you? She thought we were doing drugs behind the cubby.
Wait, she's literally partying up there. I just saw her.
Party! Yeah, she's having a great time! Guys, why can't we just party as well? Let's fucking go!
Meanwhile,
having a lovely time here.
Oh my god, your vomit's clear.
I have water.
Oh! I had to take my hair out. I hope it doesn't look bad.
That water is so much better.
Dude,
I vomited in the bathroom and I vomited here.
that's beautiful.
You
Yeah.
stop me now.
So, what are we?
Give me a
Oh!
Don't stop me.
Yeah, get to it.
Get into it! Time to boy with me. Oh. I don't clean, but let me tell you, I got this drink. Go, please follow me, drip down side of me. Hey! Shake that ass to me! So, let that Gucci breathe. Shake that ass, bitch. Hands on your knees. Bang!
your head up. Put your...
What are you gonna do when you like invite a boy over for the first time and he like gets in your bed and he's outside clothes? What are you gonna do?
He won't be invited.
But he's outside clothes and he's like tucked away.
He's tucked in my clothes. I mean, he's in my clean sheets.
Yeah, he is.
Oh.
And he's like, come here, Taya, like let's cuddle.
Just going from work and just straight in there.
Yeah. But he's got
clothes.
his like dirty clothes on.
Before you get your shower.
It depends on the job. Oh,
On the what?
on the job.